Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna make my 2 holes for my anchors with the small side. Okay, with the small side of the 6-in-1 Phillips. Then I'm going to take my anchors and insert them into the holes. Okay. Then with the back end of the 6-in-1, I tap flush the anchors. Okay, you want them flush to the wall, a little sunken into the sheetrock. If you don't, what happens is the base gets lifted off and your thermostat doesn't get a good base bind and it wobbles back and forth. Then I'm gonna, insert the screws in there that came with the unit and screw it in. The reason why I use these anchors is because this is just strictly sheetrock. And again, as I said earlier, these screws may hold it, but I don't want to take the chance. So I'm putting some supports into the back. Okay. Again, look at your level onto the nest and get it right to where you want it to get it. Okay. Then do your final turns to tighten her down. Don't over tight, because remember, you're only on anchors. And that's what we're looking like. Then what I typically do is I take this excess wire and I just push back into the wall, because who knows when we may need to pull wire again. You need to pull it back out. Don't cut it too short. In the beginning, anytime you're working with control wires or electrical, you should turn off your power, and I've done this already, so just make sure everything is turned off.